Listen, here's the rationale. I'm going to lay it out. You put your soup in a bread bowl, so why not stuff your salad in bread? This creative idea collides your sandwich and salad world, and Dina Driggs has perfected the art. She joins me in the kitchen to share the technique for a stuffed baguette. We're stuffing the baguettes.
I can't even tell you how good this is.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I was really skeptical when I first kind of saw this, and then I thought, I mean, come on. Really? A salad? But I mean, how many times do you go for salad?
Yes.
And there's bread served at the table.
There's a roll on the side or a slice of bread on the side.
And we're all excited about it.
Sure.
And when I made these, I thought, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Because there's just a little bit of liquid in the lettuce and in some of the toppings, and it just soaks up in that bread.
In all the right ways.
For sure. Like, do you love the tortilla at Cafe Rio?
Oh, yes.
That is exactly what this is.
Because it's got all the juice and the goodness.
Yes.
It makes sense. And it's so funny when you deconstruct food. In fact, my Boston said to me the other day, I served him one of those, you know, cream of chicken casserole type. There's a million variations. And he goes, being the smarty he is, Mom, do you just make the same thing but in different ways? And I'm like, yeah, which we kind of do, because we put lettuce on our sandwich, right? We dip our soup, it all comes together.
Well, the thing about I love about this so much is that I have been a big fan of chopping up salads small for
Yes.
a long time.
Yes.
I can't stand it when I go
Right.
to a restaurant and everything's big.
No, bite size.
And I'm like, you know, I don't really want to cut my salad.
Right.
I want you to cut it for me, and I want you to dress it up so that it's ready for me to eat.
It's funny you say that. So over the summer, we moved, and I didn't have a good salad hub in my new area. I did have one, but they cost like 15 bucks. So I set out to perfect my own salad, and that was one of my big ahas, was
Yes.
you gotta cut small.
Exactly.
Bite-sized leaves. Bite-sized leaves. What's going on here?
All right, we are gonna construct this, which is this is about 2/3 of the way done. So
Okay.
I'm gonna have you take this knife.
Yep.
You are gonna just shred
Yep.
that, little tiny pieces.
Yep.
And you can start with iceberg, you can start with romaine, you can throw in some spinach, whatever you wanna do. The whole idea is just to start with a bed of lettuce.
Okay.
Okay? We got it. I'm gonna pull this one away.
We're
We don't
almost
need
there.
that.
We're almost there.
All right,
Okay.
now you are gonna take all these wonderful things and just lay them on top.
Okay. So the meats, the cheeses, all of
Yeah,
it?
we've got turkey, we've got ham, we have pepperoni,
Okay.
we have salami.
Okay.
You do anything you want.
You do you.
But this is really an Italian sub.
And chopped?
That's what it is. Not yet.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna add pepperoncinis.
Okay.
You are also gonna add your tomatoes
Yes, ma'am.
and your red onions.
I admire people who can be nice and bossy at the same time. I love those people.
I am so good at this, let me tell you. Okay, now you've got red wine vinegar and olive oil.
I'm like working at the sandwich shop.
I know it. You're just doing it, girl.
Hired. My
Okay.
shift starts at 3.
You're gonna give me some salt and pepper?
Yes. Am I doing this right? Here we go. You're all fancy.
It doesn't matter.
You're all
It's just
fancy on
something
me.
small, no big deal. But it's just, okay. Now you are gonna take Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna open it up and let you sprinkle it on.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, I
This is,
know.
oh, whoa.
That's
I got a little
okay.
excited.
It doesn't
I know,
matter.
it's fine. You don't have to eat the sandwich, Shuri. It's fine. We'll save this half for you. There was a gasp from the floor.
Okay. And this
That was a
is
lot.
the best.
I did overexert myself
You're
on that.
good.
You
It's
took
not
the
bad.
lid off. Why is this my fault? Okay, mayo on top.
Mayo, and that's, okay, now this is where you start. So I started with that salad right here.
This became that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just chopping and working.
Yes, go. I'm
Right.
gonna do it too, and we're just gonna keep
How do you work around the mayonnaise?
you just gonna big old chunks
Okay,
in.
okay.
And then the
is
whole
kinda fun.
idea, I know, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Pick it up on the sides,
Okay.
bring it up on top.
Okay, all right.
And you just keep going. You keep going. This is a great time for you to be in the kitchen with your family, and they're just telling you about their day.
Yeah, you're just chopping the mayonnaise. You're just chopping the mayonnaise and all that Italian seasoning that went on top. You know
Okay.
what? We had a song when we were little. It was called Don't Play With Your Food. And
Oh.
we used to sing it. My grandparents thought it was hysterical, so that was like a theme song. We'd sing Don't Play With Your Food every time we go for a sleepover.
I
at
love
their
it
house.
because that's exactly what we're doing.
That's what we're doing.
We are playing with our food.
Yep.
Okay, this is not quite as small as I want it, but I'm gonna just go ahead and separate this.
Okay.
Okay, Brooke, I'm gonna let you grab. Oh, I have to talk about Jimmy John's. You guys, I just barely found out that you can buy day-old bread at Jimmy John's for 50 cents.
No way.
I know. Look, this entire loaf. Pick it up.
Right here?
Yep. Pick it
My
up.
hands are a little
I know, you're okay.
saucy.
The whole thing, 50 cents.
50
Day
cents.
old.
Okay.
They freeze it overnight. It's delicious the next morning.
And we know Jimmy John's. I mean, that's what makes their sandwiches so great is the bread.
Well, and okay, so then if you want fresh, you want it brand new fresh from that, and you want to go get it, you pay $2 for a fresh loaf.
Wow.
And I just think that's a great price. And
Yeah.
I went to Walmart and I bought some other breads,
Yeah.
and this is just so delicious.
Yeah. Jimmy
Okay.
John's is getting rid of their Kickin' Ranch. Did you hear that?
Oh,
I know. I know. It's sad. I know. People are trying to kickstart a campaign over it.
I think they should.
I know. Me too.
Okay, this is the fun thing. This is what everybody's doing on TikTok, so we're just gonna do it because it's so fun. So you open up your bread. As you can see, I've hollowed it out a little bit because, I mean, you know, we are eating salad,
Yeah.
so we don't need all that bread.
Right.
So you're gonna take it.
Counteracts the salad. Oh, you did it top down?
I know it!
Stop it. You have really mastered
Okay,
this.
come here. Come over on this one because
What?
it's chopped
Okay,
up a little
okay,
bit
okay.
less.
Like this?
Yep.
Stop.
Just do it. You got
Stop.
it. I know
Stop.
you can do it. Yes!
Oh, all right.
And this is it.
This is fantastic.
Okay.
Salad in a baguette.
I know. And the thing about it is, you're looking at it and you're like, what?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Okay. You know, I always make Brooke eat her food.
I'm not mad about it. Never mad about
But I'm
it.
going to come in here on this really small stuff so she doesn't have a big, you know, mouthful of stuff.
That's delicious.
Right?
You know the only thing it needs? Crunchy bread around it. Right? We're never gonna think of our salad the same way again.
I'm telling you.
What do you call this salad? Sir?
This is called a chopped Italian salad sandwich.
Have you tried any other salad
But
flavors?
stop.
Oh, what?
Okay, let's
Sorry.
just think
Go.
about it. Okay, let's just do a little romaine. Let's do, I don't know, a breast of chicken.
Yeah.
Let's put a little bit of bacon in it.
Oh, yum.
Let's put some avocado.
Yes.
Some red onions.
Yes.
Some tomatoes. And let's kick it up with a little Caesar.
Yes! Fantastic. So the combinations, your brain starts to go.
Oh, I mean, I have a yummy shrimp salad on my blog, and it's just delicious with celery and red bell peppers and and orange, and you've got all these just yummy things in it. And I was like, holy cow, this would be delicious in that. Or a buffalo chicken.
For sure.
And then, what about a wedge? I'm a sucker for a good wedge.
It just keeps going.
Right?
Yes, totally.
Okay, and the thing is you can keep doing all these fun things. For
Yeah.
example, on the Caesar, I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna roast up some garlic.
Yeah.
Put in some soft butter, a
Yeah.
little parsley.
Yeah.
Slather that on the bread.
What?
And I'm gonna toast it up.
Toast it up.
Yes.
This is fantastic. This
Anyway.
is so great. You're the best.
You're so sweet.
What are we even calling this? A stuffed baguette.
Italian chopped salad sandwich.
Stuffed in a baguette.
There you go.
Oh my
You can
gosh.
do that too.
I can't even wait. Thank you so much. Where can we get more of your great recipes?
DinasDiner.com. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on TikTok.
Dina's Diner. You get great recipes and this much fun. And I literally just pulled salad out of my sleeve. So it's all good. It's all good. Thank you, Dina. We love you. Very
welcome.
fun.